In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test your app as a user in Base44. Testing your app from the user's perspective is a crucial step before you share it with your team or roll it out more broadly. It lets you experience the app exactly how your end users will, so you can catch confusing flows, design issues, or missing features early on. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to switch into a user view directly from the Base44 editor, and what to keep in mind while you're doing it. First, make sure you're in the Base44 editor with the app you want to test already open. You should be on the main editing screen where you normally build or configure your app. At the top of this screen, look for the three dots icon. This is usually located in the upper right area of the interface, and it opens a small menu with additional options related to your app. Go ahead and click on those three dots. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains various advanced or secondary actions that aren't shown as large buttons on the main screen. One of the options you'll see in this menu is called Act as a User. Next, click on Act as a User. This action tells Base44 that you want to temporarily leave the builder mindset and see the app the way a typical user would see it. Instead of the editor tools, you'll now be taken into a user-style preview. In this mode, interact with your app as if you've never seen it before. Navigate through the screens, click buttons, submit forms, and trigger any workflows or automations you've set up. Pay close attention to how intuitive everything feels. Are labels clear? Are buttons easy to find? And does each step lead naturally to the next? If something feels confusing or takes too many clicks, make a note of it so you can refine it later in the editor. This is also a great time to test edge cases. Try entering unexpected values, leaving required fields empty, or using the app on different screen sizes if possible. The goal is to uncover issues before your real users do. When you're done, you can simply close this user view or return to the editor tab, depending on how your workspace is set up. From there, you can adjust your app based on what you observed and repeat the process as needed. That's all you need to start testing your app as a user in Base44. Use this feature regularly while you build so that by the time you share your app, it already feels polished and user-friendly.